got my ID. I got everything.
No.
What would you ask?
Come here. It's okay. It's okay. Come here.
I'm done with you guys.
Here's the deal, Mr. Hickson. Is this your residence?
Yep.
No, of course it's not my residence.
Okay, so
9182.
did someone invite you in?
I don't think they did not. All right. So here's my residence.
Okay.
Come here, baby. It's okay. Come here. Come here. Come here, baby. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Stop.
All right. Is that what you want to do?
Stop.
Okay. Well,
okay.
then help me help you.
It's okay, baby.
What is your address?
So because the fact
The video for today is an incident where officers responded to a call about a burglary in progress. When they arrived on scene, they found a man who was highly intoxicated, had urinated on himself, and was confused about where he was and where he belonged. It's important to note in this video that the officers were also able to prevent the cat from escaping the resident's home. With all that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something, and I'll talk to you soon.
911, what's the address of your emergency?
Murray Boulevard. There's somebody in my backyard trying to get in my Florida room.
Okay, do you know who this person is?
No.
What are they doing to try and get in?
I don't know. The neighbor called me next door. She heard it too. I heard them moving stuff around. And then they came to my Florida room. I locked myself out.
Okay, they're inside your room.
They're trying to get in my back of my Florida room. I saw somebody and then I ran out the front door with my dog.
Was it a male or female you saw?
A man.
Was he white, black, or Hispanic?
I don't know.
Could you tell what he was wearing at all?
No. I just heard him.
Where are you at?
On the side of my house. I'm at the neighbors across the street, and the neighbor on the other side heard it too. She said she saw someone in her yard.
Arrived.
Hello.
My dad is our neighbor, and my dad's girlfriend are in my backyard.
Okay. In this backyard on the right?
Yes, this on the right is us.
Okay. I got a lot of noise in the back.
Which one are you at?
2100. Seven A in the rear. Columbus Police! Hey, get on the ground! Get on the ground! I got one inside. What? Do you live here? No? So get on the ground.
What?
Get on the ground.
Who are you talking to?
You.
You talking to me?
Is this your house?
9170, how far off are you?
Chilling, man.
You need to come out here.
Get ready to get on this
Where do
phone.
I gotta go?
Get out here. It's gonna be a 1019 male. He's not listening to your commands.
What's this all about?
You need to get out of the house. It's time to go.
Well, I can accept that, but what you're talking about is weird.
Sir, this isn't your house. It's not your house. I'm the police. This isn't your house. Okay?
What am I doing?
You're in someone else's house.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so come here.
All right, here, go. You're really breaking my eyes. What
Here.
am I doing wrong?
You're in somebody else's house. bud. You're in somebody else's house.
I agree.
All right, so come here. Come here.
What am I doing wrong?
You're good. You're in somebody else's house.
Hold
Come on.
Hold on.
Come on.
Hold on. Hold on.
Come on. You're good.
Wait.
Come on.
Wait.
You're in somebody else's house.
Wait, listen.
Come here.
Listen.
Come here.
Listen. Listen. You're
Hands behind your
pulling-
back.
You're
Hands behind your back. Get on the ground.
what?
Get on the ground.
What the fuck am I doing? Okay. I'm fine.
Put your hand behind your back.
Listen.
Put your hand behind your back.
What am I doing wrong? I was just hanging out for a minute. What are you doing to me? Hold on, son. What are you doing to me?
Bring your other hand behind you now.
Everything.
Now!
Jesus Christ! What am I doing wrong? What have I done wrong, Mom? Why?
Stop!
All right, it's fine. You do whatever you want to me. Why is the reason that you're really supplying me with?
One detained.
Huh? What's happening right now?
I know.
Listen. What did I do?
Roll
that
over.
was-
Roll over. Get on your butt. Get on your butt. Come here. Get on your butt. Get on your butt. You got any weapons on you?
Listen.
Do you have any weapons on you?
Of course I don't. Of course I don't. I'm just a fucking guy just hanging out. What's happening right now? What's happening right now?
Move your leg over here. Stand up.
It's fine. It's,
Roll over.
you can take everything you want from me.
Wait. Stand up.
What do I have to get?
Stand up now.
Alright, what?
Roll to your right.
Wait, hold on. It's hard for me to stand up right now.
John, help me out. Which house?
What is happening?
Stand
Why-
up.
At the,
Stand
the
up
wing
now.
You're standing there.
I will
Roll to
stand
your
up.
right.
If
I
one of them
will
now, go to
stand
the
up,
back
but
door,
why-
Turn to the right. He's
Fine, just
back
stay here
there
for
on
a
that back porch.
Why are you fucking coming after me?
Put your legs out. We're gonna wait for the officer.
I mean, I'm perfectly willing to stand up, but
You're
why?
gonna have to jump the fence. I don't know if there's another access point.
Listen. Why
This
does
isn't
anybody
your
give
house.
a fuck about me?
You're drunk? This isn't your house.
But I'm also not like focusing on.
Okay. Stand up.
All right, it's fine. Can you help me stand up?
Yeah. Roll to your left.
How do I do this? Why am I being
He'll help you.
picked
He'll
on?
help you stand up, bud.
Like, what's going on right
Yeah, let me get
now?
this gentleman up.
Why does anybody care about what I'm doing right now?
Okay.
All right, we're gonna stand you up on 3. 1,
Thank
2,
you.
3.
Thank you, guys.
Okay.
All right. But let me ask really quickly.
Now do it.
Let's have a bit.
Let me ask really quickly. Like, why does anybody give a fuck what I'm doing right now? I haven't been. Like, I'm not in the middle of no fucking
Buddy,
situation.
buddy, where were you at?
I've just been hanging out with some buddies. Like I'm not in the middle of no goddamn situation, right? Right? Like, you know this.
Okay.
Sit. Sit down. Sit down.
There we go. Like, I don't like the fact that you're telling me to sit down. That's bullshit, by the way.
You listen to me. We're trying to help you.
All right.
Okay.
Fuck me, please.
What is your first name?
Why does it matter? My first name is
Last name?
Hickson.
Spell that for me.
Hixson.
Chopper, you can probably clear.
My middle initial?
We're trying to identify you.
Thanks.
G.
G. Any birthday?
Thanks for your help.
No problem. Good work.
What the fuck is going on?
Is it Mr. Hickson or Mixon?
It's Mr. Hickson.
What's
Hixson.
your address?
What?
Yeah, what's your address? We're trying to determine where you live.
Like, currently?
Mm-hmm.
I live in, you know what?
You got your ID though, don't you? Here, come here, baby.
I got my ID. I got everything.
No.
What's your address?
Come here. It's okay. It's okay. Come here.
I'm done with you guys.
Here's the deal, Mr. Hickson. Is this your residence?
No, of course it's not my residence.
Okay, so
9182.
did someone invite you in?
I don't think they did not. All right. Here's my residence.
Okay.
Come here, baby. It's okay. Come here. Come here. Come here, baby. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Stop.
All right, is that what you want to do?
Stop.
Okay, well,
okay.
then help me help you.
It's okay, baby.
What is your address?
So because the fact that for a quick moment that my arms are wristed behind my back.
Not even.
And I have nothing to do with, like, I am not, nobody has nobody to complain about me, right?
Yeah, you're not supposed to be here.
You broke into someone else's house.
Did I break into somebody's
Yes.
house?
Yes.
You did.
Look, we understand you're intoxicated. We're trying to help you stay out of jail. But if you're not going to help us, we're just going to take you to jail, and I'll let the detectives and the lawyers handle it.
All right, listen,
You know.
listen. I don't think that
You can go ahead for him.
I cannot remember a time when I was intoxicated in somebody else's show, but I will.
Let's just.
But that being said, I will.
You can keep the other people coming in. Just
cooperate
turn off the 60s.
as much as I can.
No, we're going to take you to jail. Come on.
Stand up.
I've tried to help you.
Listen.
Nope, we're done. Walk in the car.
All right, I guess I'm going to jail.
Correct.
You won't tell me an address.
I will.
No, I've asked you 3 times, and I'm tired of asking.
All right, listen, I will.
Okay? No, you won't. You would have told me by now. You would have rattled it off. Hey, what's your address, Mr. Hickson?
All right, I guess this is
we're
where
going
I'm going. This is such a weird night. It's so weird. What a weird night. What? Okay. Like, you guys know I'm not in the middle of a weird freaking damn night, right? All right, whatever. I'm so sorry that I have to have my freaking wrist slapped behind my ass.
Well, all you got to do is give me your address.
I will tell you my address.
Tell me. Okay, why didn't you tell me that before?
I tried to tell you that.
Didn't.
Yes, I did.
Jackass.
I did. I don't
Yeah,
even
you
know why
gotcha.
I don't even know why I'm here.
Okay. I'm not even
Yeah.
Come on, Mr. Hickson, let's go.
I would
Head on
like
over there
that
with
a
him.
lot.
Okay, go over with him.
All
Come
right.
on, Mr. Hickson.
Sweet, go on. Thank you.
Come on, Mr. Hickson. There we go.
Mr. Hickson, while I was placing you into custody, you were placed on the floor. Would you like a medic to check you out?
Come on.
No,
on.
I'm good.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Come on.
No problem. Watch your
Get in
head.
the car.
All right.
Get in the car, Mr. Hickson. Foot first.
Can I just sit in with my ass?
Sure.
You can, but I want you to watch your head. You don't want to hit this on the metal, okay? Go on.
Why am
Go on. You got to get in the car, buddy.
All right.
We'll talk after that, okay?
Okay. Yes.
All right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Why?
All right, I'm gonna shut the door. So watch your arm. Move this in here a little
Yeah,
bit.
you're good.
All
You're
right,
good.
you got it.
me. You got
Okay.
me.
Hi there.
Hey, Sarge.
What's he say?
He knows that it's not his house. That's about it. He's just really hammered.
How do you get in?
It looks like he broke through both sides of the fence, and then I think the door might have been open to the back. So he's got pee everywhere, so I wouldn't touch him. I did not get his name yet. I think he's got it. Are they home?
Yeah, she's right here waiting for us.
Oh, she's the owner?
Yeah.
Okay,
she
good.
went across the street.
Okay. Hi there.
Are you sure it's just one?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
How do you know? Did he break in my boardroom?
Yeah, he just was your sunroom unlocked?
No, the door was open. I let the pet out, and that's when I saw him, and I put the stick in and ran in.
Do you know G. Hickson?
No.
Okay, all right. Well, he's intoxicated. He's lost. He thinks he lives at your house.
What's his name?
Hickson?
No.
He's just drunk. He's harmless. He's just drunk. He thinks he lives here.
Oh.
So my question to you, do you want me to call a detective and have this gentleman prosecuted for burglary?
I don't know what to do. He scared
Well,
the
it's,
shit out of me.
I understand, absolutely. That's why I'm asking you. You're the citizen. I'm going to do whatever you want me to do.
That's not somebody you know, right?
No, having taken
No,
away
and he
her
broke
seat.
stuff, and my dog was going bananas. It was like, I thought it was an animal.
Yeah.
It was like all this screwing.
No, it was
around.
it's a drunk Mr. Hickson who thought he lived here.
It looks like he did damage your fence.
Yeah, I mean.
So
and he
did
tried to
you
get
did
in
you
my
want to go ahead and file charges? Here's the thing: for us to file charges, we need a victim, someone who's willing to go to court. It's like, yeah, this guy's. And then what I'll do is I'll call a detective. But the balls and
break my Florida room door.
you know what? Let's go take a look. That way you can tell me.
Can you watch the dog for just a second?
That way you can tell me what's broken and what's not. Okay. Like I said, if you want to file charges, we can call a detective.
No, I'm fine. He didn't break anything. He did get in my house, but I just want to make sure that he never does this again. I want to know who he is.
Oh, okay. Well, let's do this. Let's at least take a report. Then you got your driver's license on you?
What does? Do you want a medic?
I just want to not be involved in this.
I can't take the cuffs off. Are they too tight or are they just uncomfortable? What?
Take your time. I'm good.
Okay. Are the cuffs injuring you or are they just uncomfortable?
They're uncomfortable.
Okay, I'll be back with you.
9182.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna.
He's got a wallet on him, so we can check his back pocket if you want. I've already got pee on me, so I can do it.
I'm good. Yeah, I kicked the gate and damaged it, Sarge. Sorry.
Thank you for getting to me.
Huh? No problem. Let's see where this guy lives.
Yeah,
Let's.
9182. 9182.
Let me turn the radio down so it won't be so loud.
Yeah, nobody wants to hear the radio that way.
9181.
That's right.
What am I fucking doing?
Do you have a social security number, Mr. Hickson?
Of course I do.
May I have it, please?
Nope.
Okay.
Yeah, sure I do. What am I doing? What am I doing?
What's your social security number?
Fucking Hickson.
Are you confident you
Trust me.
that and it wasn't him?
I'm not even trying to hide from nothing.
Okay. I just know he broke one side, so I was just making sure.
Yeah.
You did a really good job on the other side.
Try it again. Are you listening to me?
Okay, thank you.
Great. Which is, I have no reason to share that with you. All I want to do is go the fuck home.
We're
15 minutes from fucking home.
okay, Mr. Hickson. It says here you live in Lewis Center.
Of course I do.
You're not in Lewis Center. You're in Northwest Columbus.
Of course I am right now.
Yeah. Well.
Because I've been kind of restricted to this area.
Okay.
It's not by my opportunity.
All right. Well, Mr. Hickson, this isn't your address. This isn't your property. You damaged her fence, and she wants you to pay for it.
Someone wants me to pay for something?
Yes.
I will pay for that.
All right.
I don't believe that I really damaged anything, but if someone feels that
You
way,
got it right,
I will
Ian.
pay for that.
Okay. All right.
I would be perfectly willing to pay for if someone thinks that I spent money on something that they didn't agree with, I will pay for it.
Okay.